Hello guys, welcome back to another session of Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Let's first analyze Bank Nifty. Yesterday I was speaking about 52,380 to 420 levels. Bank Nifty opened below the value area but closed above the levels which I have shared in yesterday's video. 52,420 levels forming an open drive, and whenever you see this kind of open drive, the prices will likely go for further up move. And I was speaking about the target to 52,700 and even above it might go for. Bank Nifty went all the way up to 53,000 levels, just a point short of 53,000, and exactly around this point you see previous prices getting rejected. This is around 4th of July where the prices got exactly rejected at 53,000, a point short. Some seller around that area, he tried to take control, but the thing with today's Bank Nifty is one time framing market. If you look at one time framing markets are very rare, less than 5% it happens, but whenever they happen it will be a very strong moves will be there upside. Because of the rarity, it's very least reliable. Means whenever you see a market making continuous higher highs, higher lows like this, you can assume that by default there is going to be some kind of pullback. So what happened up to all the way up to 12:15, the market made higher high, but then around 12:45 the previous 30-minute low has been broken, indicating that maybe sellers are trying to take control. For tomorrow, what you should be looking for is the single print that has formed somewhere around 52,530 to 52,615 levels. There is a strong single print support. So how price reacts around this point is going to decide how to trade tomorrow. If at all Bank Nifty opens tomorrow flat, and there is a good possibility Bank Nifty might test this single print, and if this single print stands and there was a rejection, you try to trade for the first target towards 52,950 levels, and second target will be 53,200 levels. And then if at all Bank Nifty breaks 52,340 levels, there is a good possibility you will see a down move all the way towards 52,140 levels, and then there is a good possibility you will see 52,080 levels, and good possibility is 51,900 and 51,830 levels. For now, value area itself is higher high and it's very strong with the PPOC around 52,790 levels. Your odds of winning will be more if you look for buying opportunity as of now, unless the prices gets accepted below 52,340 levels. So this is with Bank Nifty, guys. So coming to Nifty, what I was speaking yesterday is, so there was an overlap of value continuously for 3 days, indicating that the momentum is losing. But at the same time, I was also stressing on if the prices sustains above 25,490 levels, good possibility of another 100 points move might be there. So today the market opened flat around the yesterday's close, and it tested the value area low, and it made a open test drive with a close around 25,465 levels. So whenever you see this kind of open test drive, you will see some kind of up move. If the low would have stood at 25,415 levels, there would have been a good possibility of prices going to 25,580 to 25,600 levels. So all the while Nifty is forming the open test drive, it has formed a delta divergence. The thing with this delta divergence at the first 30 minutes is that whenever you see this kind of bullish or bearish divergence, in this case bearish divergence, as the prices goes up, the aggressive sellers whoever are there, they may not be successful at this point of time, but the prices makes higher highs. These sellers, they find the higher prices as good area to short again. Same with bullish divergence, which I was speaking in one of my previous videos. So look at this, guys. There is a bullish divergence here. What happened? A strong positive delta, prices went down. So as the prices goes down, so aggressive buyers whoever have bought around this point, they might have failed, but at lower prices they find it much good area to enter again, and the prices goes up. So here the prices may not have made much lower low, but sometimes even if there is a good lower low, then you will see prices turning around. So whenever you see a market with bullish or bearish divergences in the first 30 minutes, you have to be careful for the rest of the day. For tomorrow, what you should be looking, the low itself today, it's a weak low, so there is a high probability, 80% probability this low itself get revisited, and this single print at 25,274 levels is high probable, and there is a possibility it might even come down to 25,220 level. So if at all prices comes below this single print low, then there is a good possibility Nifty will go for 24,990 levels. Because there is a failed auction here, and these failed auctions gets revisited. If at all there is going to be a gap up in Nifty tomorrow, you need to look for how the prices sustains around 25,540 levels. But if you look at OI data, there is a good amount of call rating at 25,400, and then there is a good amount of call rating at 25,500 levels. So it will definitely act as a very good resistance for tomorrow. If at all, if it sustains consistently for 2 to 3 hours, there is a good possibility of a short unwinding, sending the prices upside further. So if at all there is going to be a gap down, again wait for some time, look how the prices reacts around this single print 25,225 levels, then look for a buying opportunity. Now the safest buying opportunity, if the prices closes above these 25,370 levels on any 30 minutes, that will be your good buying opportunity. If at all there is going to be a flat opening, that will be little bit trickier. But looking at Nifty value, unlike Bank Nifty which has made a higher high, Nifty value has made a lower low. Nifty today has closed below the previous 3-day balance, and POC itself is below the previous day POC, indicating that the sentiment itself as of now is bearish. But tomorrow how Nifty reacts around these single prints is going to decide how you should be trading. So whatever the analysis we are discussing is as per what happened today, but tomorrow where the price opens, how the first 30 minutes will be, that is going to set the tone for the rest of the day. So if you are looking for live market update, you can join my Telegram channel, which I am attaching in the description. Or if you are keen on learning order flow and market profile, you can go through the order flow playlist, which I am attaching at the end of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.